Hi YouTubers, Harley V-Rod 2004 model, missing when I was driving along. It's intermittent miss, felt like it was spark. I think it might have been the problem. These things go on the coil pack on here, and there's a spring inside. It's a fairly long spring. Okay, to get the spring out, it's hard with one hand. Get a chopstick, Chinese chopstick, put a chopstick into it and push the spring out. There's the spring. Push the spring out. Okay, here we go. I feel like a doctor. Okay, bit of a twist and it comes out. There we go. Okay, now what we've got to do is stretch the spring slightly. Stretch the spring there and the other end. Just stretch it out slightly, because what happens, the spring connects onto this, plus the other end of it connects onto the spark plug. And what happens when people push these on, they flop around real loose, and it doesn't connect on there. It does sometimes, doesn't sometimes. And I think that might have been my intermittent mess. So just stretch the spring, simply push it back into one of these holders, push it all the way down. Don't forget, lube it up a bit, a bit of silicone grease, something like that to lube it up a bit so it slides back in. Yeah, job fixed. Hope that helps somebody out. Okay, see you all.